Hey guys, what's up? Karibuni tena sana to my YouTube channel. It's Sister. If you're new here, welcome to the family and thank you so much for joining me. So as you can see from the title of today's video, I'm gonna be talking about simple, affordable drugstore makeup, especially for beginners, because I've been getting this question so many times. Questions like, hi Steph, I really want to start wearing makeup but I don't know what products to use and where to start. So I do hope this video helps you. So let's get started. First of all, I just want to appreciate how my brows look today. Today they've cooperated, today they're looking snatched, they're laid, they're looking beat. Anyway, I did my brows using the David's brow pencil and I also set my brows using concealer gel, and if you want to see how I did that, you can also go check out that video on my channel. I'm gonna link it down below. So now, first thing when it comes to makeup guys is primer. Now, I watch so many videos that usually talk about makeup artists talking about primers, what types there are. So let me first, I'm just gonna give you an example of a primers. What's the main function of a primer is to like lock your foundation down. It's like the seal between your skin and the foundation. However, like I know some celebrity makeup artists like Scott Burns, one who does J-Lo's makeup, Beyonce's makeup artist too. I can't remember his name. Funny enough, they don't even wear primers. And you know, funny enough, like these people have shows and everything, but they don't do primers. For most of the videos I've seen, I think they just moisturize their face. Also, James Charles, I've heard in one of his videos, he said that primers are a scam. I don't know how true that is, but for me personally, I notice there's a difference when I wear a primer and when I don't. So definitely wear primer. Now, affordable primers that are in the market, there's the L.A Girl primer, there's the Maybelline primers, the Elf Cosmetics primers, and all these products that I'm going to be mentioning in today's video, you can definitely get them from Beauty Bar Kenya. Definitely check them out. So the primer that I have used and I have been using to this day,
to this day,
L.A Girl Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer, guys. So yeah, this primer costs like about between 600 and 700 depending on where you get it. I got mine from Beauty Bar Kenya and I love this primer, guys. When it comes to application of primers, I hear a lot of people say you shouldn't spread your primer, you should just pat it on your skin. Honestly, whatever rocks your boat, because it's still gonna get into your skin either way. So yeah, I tend to concentrate my primer around my T-zone, because that's where my skin tends to get oily, because my skin type is normal to oily. So yeah, I definitely, and then the rest of the excess product I just spread it across my face. Okay, so next, when it comes to foundation, what you need to know about foundation, first you should always use foundation that is your shade, and if you want to test your foundation, you can always swatch it on your chest. I learned that from Jack. And for today's video, I am going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the shade Chestnut. So as I said, I'm just gonna, and I like this foundation because it also has a pump. If you want to know if it's like your shade, when you go get it, when you can swatch it on your chest and when it blends seamlessly, then that's how you know it's your shade. Also, when it comes to foundations, don't buy foundations online, go physically to the store and get it. So I'm gonna use like 2 pumps. If you've been here long enough, then you know personally I don't wear that much foundation. I like my foundation looking like it's skin. So yeah, I've always said less is more, but people are different. So if at all you want to wear an serious amount of foundation, it's fine. We don't judge here, but yeah, personally I like my foundation. Don't buy any makeup from the boys. I don't care who said it, just don't get it from the boys, because I know, funny enough, I was watching this annoying ass Q&A stories, one of these DJ influencers, and somebody dead ass asked her, where can I get affordable makeup, and she said the boys, and I was like, no.
hell to the no, hell no.
Maybe what you can get from the boys are probably things like beauty blenders, tools, brushes, maybe I know some people get lashes from there. So yeah, but like any product that is going through your skin, don't buy it from the boys. Other foundations that you can get that are affordable, especially drugstore, and this one's mainly, I think the prices are usually, they range between 1,500 and 2,000. You can get Maybelline, of course, and you can also try the Milani as well, Revlon. You can try L.A Girl. I've never really tried L.A Girl. So now that's blended in, and for my concealer I use the L.A Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition concealers in the shade Fawn. I swear by this concealer, guys. First of all, these concealers are very affordable. They cost between 400 to 500 depending on where you get it, but yeah, I love the L.A Girl Pro concealer. The consistency is bomb. Other drugstore concealers you can get around, I know people use Maybelline. I personally have never used Maybelline before, but yeah, I personally swear by this L.A Girl concealers. Then to contour my face, I'm gonna be using the L.A Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in the shade Cocoa. So when you're contouring your face, I think you can always go with like a really dark shade, and for your concealer you should use at least 1 or 2 shades lighter. 3 is a little bit much. Well, you don't have to cream contour. I know people who personally are not a fan of cream contour, but personally I like cream contour. So now, using these cute little blenders I got from some Instagram page, there was a set, there were 5. They are really cute, and I really like them because I'm able to get like, especially like in the inner corner, I'm gonna use them to just blend. Anyway, so next I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powders, guys. I love this powder. Okay, one, I think I've mentioned this in a previous video. I know some people, first of all, this powder is white, so I know some people are usually afraid of using white powder because of flashback, but I assure you this powder is really nice. Other powders that I know that are really affordable, you can get the L.A Girl setting powder. It costs, I think, at least between 700 and 900, depending also on where you get it. Which also reminds me, there's this page I follow on Instagram, and I really like the content they usually have. They usually feature like upcoming makeup artists and enthusiasts, and they usually have like really creative looks. On their story recently, they were like they want to feature new makeup artists, so tag them in your most recent posts, and I've been tagging them for a while. And I also noticed that they started liking my post, I think since last month. And then that's what, I don't know, yesterday I don't even know what got to me. I just started, and I was like, maybe let me go to that page and maybe check, maybe because I wanted to get maybe some new inspo. I wanted to probably recreate a new look, and then that's when it hit me that there is not a single woman of color on that page. Like, I'm not gonna lie, yeah, like everybody on that page was just, you know, Caucasian and then I was just like, so why are you asking for more makeup artists? And you know, the funny thing is they're always saying how the team is always reaching out, they're looking for new, and I'm like, you've not found any black new makeup artists? Like, I don't know. After setting my under eye on my concealer, I used the True Complexion Contour Palette. So you can definitely get this from Beauty, but I think it costs like 1500 around that price. So it has the contour, scalp, and highlight. You don't have to get this palette. You don't have to get a contour palette in general. If you're trying to save your money and stuff, you can definitely use like the Joanna K Cosmetics palette, or literally any palette that has a nice brown shade, and you can use that to contour, because I know some people do that. So next I'm gonna go in with my L.A Girl Pro Face HD High Definition Match Plus Powder, and I just use this to set the rest of my face. Other powders, and this goes roughly for I think 800 to 900. Other powders you can use, I know you can use the Maybelline powder. I know you can also use the Black Opal and the Revlon. Those are the ones that are, I think, the main drugstores that you can find around and are quite affordable. So yeah, I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. So I know you hear a lot of people always talking about setting sprays, and yes, I do believe setting sprays are very important. And personally, I've been using the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. Setting spray is different from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's very affordable. It costs like I think 900, between 900 and 1000, depending on also on where you get it. Another good setting spray I can recommend is probably the L.A Girl setting spray, Maybelline Super Stay setting spray, the Colourpop Cosmetics setting spray, NYX Cosmetics setting spray. There's the Beauty Revolution setting spray. So yeah, that way you're setting, definitely set from a distance. Something I forgot to mention, when you're looking for a setting spray, you must definitely consider your skin type. Probably normal skin, you could probably go for, I think if you have normal skin, you can either do the dewy look or the matte look. But if you have oily skin, definitely go for a matte look, and if you have dry skin, definitely go is highlighter. Now when it comes to highlight, places to highlight, of course you should highlight your cupid's bow, your cheekbone, and I noticed some people highlight here instead of here. Like this is where you should highlight, not here, around this area. So we said the cupid's bow, this area, cheekbone, the tip of your nose bridge, and under your brow bone. Those are the places you should highlight. Now when it comes to highlight, there are so many highlighters, but my personal fave is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. I really like this highlighter. You also don't need to get a highlighter. If you have a good palette that has beautiful shimmer, you can definitely use that. Anyway guys, I went ahead and I popped on lashes from Lashes Kenya. Let me tell you, Lashes Kenya is an amazing page. They have really nice soft glam looking lashes, especially if you're a beginner. I highly recommend you go get those lashes from Lashes Kenya. It's my girl Patience, so definitely go check her out. And definitely also the lashes are very affordable. Like when I say affordable, I mean dead ass affordable. Like I think these lashes that I have on are probably like 300 or 400. I'm not very sure because I got them a while back. And yes, they also come in pairs. So it's definitely a good deal. You should definitely go get these lashes, especially if you're not someone who likes very dramatic lashes. Don't get me wrong. I love a good dramatic lash. I'm gonna blink all of you into oblivion. Like, you can't even tell me now. You can't tell me shit. Now, a lot of people have been asking me about glosses because personally, I really like lip glosses of late. And the gloss that I can recommend, and I'm telling you, you will love. Unfortunately, mine is over, but I still have it. This is the L.A Colors High Shine Sheer Butter Lip Gloss. It's only 500 bob, guys, and this gloss is bomb. Smells like heaven. Because honestly, let's just be honest, some glosses you get for CG 5 Soko, and you know they're just smelling a little bit, and it shines. Like honestly guys, if you wear this gloss, we can spot you a mile away. Guys, we have come to the end of this video. I love this look. You can wear this look to school, to a date, to church, to stay at home. You can definitely rock this look. I hope you guys this video has really helped you, especially for those of you who've been asking me what products to use, where to start. I hope this video has been of great help to you, because personally I've been in that place, and I think for me there really wasn't anybody to tell me. I really just had to do my research and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much for 400 subs. This channel is like a month old, and if you ask me, I think we're doing pretty awesome. I think we're doing the mad thing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to tap the notification bell to get a notification every time I upload. However, all unasked for useless bagalistic comments shall be deleted and the users quickly and promptly blocked. Anyway, so guys, thank you so much. Until next time, bye.